Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Zilla Panchayat receives average response, records 67% voting, results on Friday. ZP poll witnesses tension at few places. Car of one of the senior BJP leaders stoned at Bicholim. Cures at Zilla Panchayat over voters' slip. Hundreds of residents from Karanzale Madkai boycott ZP elections. Protest against saline water flooded in Kazan land fields. Only 250 voters cast vote. No order yet on withdrawal of suspension on environment and forest clearances of 72 mining leases. Congress says it's BJP's tactics to lure voters. And Padma Shri Dr. Anil Kakodkar resigns as Chairman of Board of Governors of IIT Bombay. Resignation following alleged disagreement and spat with Union HRD Minister. Now the news in detail. Zilla Panchayat has received average response. ZP poll on Wednesday recorded 67% voting. Ruling BJP contested ZP with alliance partner MGP and GVP. The fate of 47 candidates on party symbols and 145 candidates contesting as independents has been sealed. Results will be out on Friday. Mining ban, EC suspension, anti-minority propaganda are some of the issues which will test the ruling party's performance in this assembly poll semi-finals.
In terms of percentages, male turnout 65%, female turnout 67.84%, overall turnout is 66.43%. It is 12% more than 2010 ZP elections. In 2010, the turnout is 54.43. Now 66.43. The growth is 12%. Increment is 12%.
This is the first time elections are being held on party lines. Except Congress and NCP, BJP, MGP were in fray on party symbol together.
आदले फावटी आमचे केवळ 6 जाण निवडून आयिल्ले. म्हाका खात्री आसा हे फावटी चौपट पांचपट येतले. आणि अखेर आमी इलेक्शनाक वता आसतना भारतीय जनता पार्टी म्हणून वचूंक ना. भारतीय जनता पार्टी आणि एलायज जे आमचे बरोबर सरकारान आसात अशे एकत्रीत रित्या गेल्यात. त्यामुळे भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो वेगळो हिशोब म्हाका करप योग्य दिसना. दोनूय ठिकाणी आमी आणि आमचे मित्र पक्ष हे स्पष्ट बहुमतान सामके कम्फर्टेबल मेजॉरिटी घेवन येतले.
आमकां अपेक्षा आसा की सादारणशे 3000 पेक्षा वयर ह्या मतदारसंघाक आमचो कॅन्डिडेट डॉक्टर पुष्पाय्या हांचो विजय आसतलो. खोलाय जिल्हा पंचायत आमच्या कृष्णा वेळीप हाचो विजय निश्चित आसा.
साधारणपणे एक 3000चे मार्जिन घेवन हो मतदारसंघ जिखता हितून मातूय दुबाव ना.
BJP पार्टीचो कॅन्डिडेट निवडून हाडटलो कित्याक ताका गव्हर्मेंटाचो फायदो मेळटलो.
4 seats out of 4 seats, I'm expecting 3 almost clear. The fourth one, I'm a little reluctant, which is the Kurtori one. हांगा पयलो जाल्यार लोक पार्टी लायन आसा वो दुसरे पयशे वांट्टात. हे पयशे वांटून हे इलेक्शनां केन्ना काबार जातलीं, केन्ना गोंयांत चेंजीस जातले तें समजना म्हाका.
मेन खुर्च्या म्हणजे 3 आणि 4 ह्या बुथा वयल्यान म्हाका दिसता लोकांचो सकाळी फुडेंच मोठ्या प्रमाणात हांगासर मतदानाक उबे रावल्ले आसा. ह्या इलेक्शनाक विजय हो निश्चित आमचो आसा.
Congress and NGO supported several independent candidates. Independents fought the poll majorly on issues like mining closure, Kul Munkar and Ghar Vapsi.
जेन्ना चेअरपर्सन मेली लॉटरीजीस आनी आमी मुखार गेल्ले सगळे बेरपाटीचे यूथ ताणी म्हाका आपलो कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून घातलेलो आसा. आनी आमी सगळ्याक भोंवल्यात म्हणजे भुरगे सगळ्याक पावल्यात आनी म्हाका ताचो पुराय तेंको आसा.
I think it's very good. The results and the signals are very positive towards me.
पेशंट इन माय फेवर अजून बरें आसा. आमची गावडोंगरी खोतीगांव सगळी बरें आसा आनी अशेंच म्हाका ह्या सायडीन बरें आसता अशें हें आसा उमेद आसा म्हाका.
The fate of 47 candidates on party symbols and 145 candidates as independents is sealed. Results of political semi-final for a party in power will be out on Friday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
ZP polls witnessed tension at few places. Car of one of the senior BJP leaders was stoned at Bicholim on Tuesday night. The car is damaged. Situation was tense at Zilla Panchayat over a water slip. Voting was paralysed for almost 2 hours. However, polling officers say it's a statutory procedure. Voters at Agasai complained that booth-level officer was misguiding voters. On the other side, residents of Zuwari Nagar Vasco faced heated scenes over a bar operating in the area.
When ZP poll was just few hours away, car of one of the senior BJP leader was stoned at Kharpal Bicholi late night on Tuesday. However, it is not clear who was moving in the car. The car is damaged. Have a look. As of now, it is shifted to a showroom at Kolwale for repairs. The car is registered in the name of the BJP. There was some confusion at Mudai Panswadi over voting slip. Voting was paralysed for almost 2 hours. Voters were unhappy with the polling officers for noting ballot paper serial number, as it could disclose the vote.
There is a number on the ballot paper, on the voting slip, on the voting slip, and that same number is being dictated and written on the photo. So when we objected, first they stopped dictating the number, then they continued showing the number and writing there.
ते वाटत तुवें हात वयर काडून करा मरे वोटींग बुथाचेर येवपाचें मिटींग आपोवपाचें कोण कोण हेका आसा तेका आसा तें हात वयर काडपाचो जालें हें कित्याक इतलो खर्च कित्याक करपा जाय हो.
Polling officer says that's a statutory voting process. The officer said that secrecy is being maintained.
As a rule, it has been rules have been framed by the state commission. So whatever guidelines are given to us, we are following the same guidelines. As per guidelines, the last 3 digits of the ballot paper has been noted on the marked copy, which is done in the whole state of Goa, and it is never opened. That remains in the custody of the RO. Purpose is basically to see that there is no allegations cast against the presiding officer, anyone, because then somebody might say that so many voters did not vote and so many ballots are in the box. So it is only to safeguard.
BJP candidate from St. Lawrence ZP constituency complained with Election Commission against a booth-level officer for influencing voters to cast vote in favor of a particular independent candidate.
हांगा भितर पोलिंग वोटिंग कार्ड घेवन पोलिंग एजंट प्लस BLO बरयताले आनी सांगताले बाबा हे एका मारा.
हांव भितर गेल्लो वोटिंग करपाक वोटिंग करता थंय हांवें पयलें सिंबल आहा तें सिंबल 100 मीटर भायर दवरपा जाय तें हांवें गेलें आनी आमच्या पंचाक सांगलें.
Later, the election observer transferred the BLO from duty and posted another one at the booth. On the other side, bar operating at Vasco Sankwal disturbed many, but police say the bar was not selling liquor but only the food.
हांगा 2 रेस्टॉरंट बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट म्हणून आसलो पण ते लिकर ना म्हणून बरयला पण भितर कितें चलता तें पळोवपाक कॅन्डिडेट बसपाना. आतां एक्शन तेजेर कांय केलें कितें तेजेर कांयच ना सर सगळे ते भितर सगळे आख्खें हें केलें तेजें चॅक केला पण नथींग इज लिकर प्रोडक्ट नथींग इज देयर.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.